In 1884 and 1885, 14 white men gathered around a table in Berlin. They drew lines on maps, and just like that, Africa was stolen. No African kings, no elders, no voices from the land itself. They cut Africa like a cake, dividing it into pieces without thinking of the people, the tribes, and the cultures. They only thought of what they could steal: the gold, the diamonds, the ivory, the rubber, the oil, and the land itself. Each of them took a piece of Africa to control. France, Belgium, Germany, Portugal, Spain, Italy, and others. They created borders and still divide us today. And how did they conquer Africa? With what they planned at this very meeting: two weapons, the gun and the Bible. Yes. The gun to kill us, to silence us, to force us into submission, and the Bible to control our minds, to make us obey, to make us accept suffering as if it were as if it were holy. They told us to look to heaven while they stole the earth. And many people say if they didn't come, Africa would still be in darkness. But just so you know, we are in darkness because they came. That is the format they made you believe. Africa was not poor, Africa was advanced, Africa was rich. We had the Mali Empire, where Masa Musa, the richest man in history, built universities. Yes. We had the Songhai Empire, a center of trade and learning. We had the kingdom of Kush and Nubia, building pyramids along Egypt, here in Africa. We had the Great Zimbabwe with stone cities. Yes, we had Ethiopia, an empire that defeated European invaders. In Timbuktu, we had libraries filled with thousands of books when Europe was still illiterate. Our mud houses were not backwards, they were advanced technology, keeping us warm in the cold and cool in the heat, sustainable long before modern science. Africa was destiny swapped. They told us we were nothing, but we were everything. They made us believe we were poor, but we were the richest land on earth. And we still are. And that is why they came: to steal, to kill, and to destroy. This video is for educational purposes only. Hi there, my name is Rose. Follow my page for more videos like this. Bye.